Elderly, the benefits of owning an air purifier. Are you considered a senior citizen? If not, do you know someone who is? Whether you are increasing in age or you are close to someone who is, you may be a little bit worried about health. It is no secret that most people's health begins to deteriorate as they age. Despite being a normal occurrence, there are many individuals who take a number of steps to try and remain as healthy as they can. When it comes to staying healthy, there are a number of different steps that are taken. Of course, the elderly, like all other individuals, can benefit from healthy foods, as well as a regular amount of exercise. In addition to a healthy diet and regular exercise, elderly individuals could also benefit from the use of an air purifier. Air purifiers are electronic machines that are used to eliminate, and sometimes even destroy, harmful air particles and bacteria. Essentially, air purifiers make indoor air cleaner and healthier to breathe. This is good for just about anyone, but it is especially good for those who are considered senior citizens. As previously mentioned, senior citizens are more likely to develop health complications, such as the common cold. An air purifier can help to reduce the chances of that happening. If you are a senior citizen and you are looking to purchase an air purifier for yourself, you may want to think about speaking to your healthcare provider. While most healthcare providers are not experts on air purifiers, they should be able to let you know what you want or need to get out of an air purifier. For instance, they may recommend that you purchase an air purifier that not only traps, but also destroys harmful bacteria. This information, as well as any other information that your healthcare provider may give you, will come in handy when choosing the right air purifier, especially one that best fits your needs. If you are not a senior citizen, but you are interested in purchasing an air purifier for a senior citizen that you know or are related to, you may want to do a little bit of research before making that purchase. When doing a little bit of research, it is important to keep a couple of important points in mind. These points should include the size of the room in which the air purifier would be used, the overall cost of the air purifier, including filters, and the overall quality of the air purifier that you are interested in purchasing. As mentioned above, it may be a good idea for you to seek help or tips from a professional healthcare provider. When it comes to purchasing an air purifier, if you are a senior citizen, you may want to think about shopping at a retail store that offers discounts for senior citizens. These discounts are not available at all retail locations, but a wide number of stores still offer them. These stores may include home improvement stores or pharmacies. Even if you must pay full price for an air purifier, you will still want to think about purchasing one. Despite having to pay full price, you will likely find that the purchase is worth it in more ways than one. As previously mentioned, if you are concerned with the health of yourself or someone that you know, especially someone who is considered a senior citizen, you may want to get an air purifier. Whether you make that purchase yourself, ask for it as a gift, or give it as a gift, you and anyone else that enters the residence will likely be pleased with the purchase.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Transform your old articles and ebooks into brand new audio content and use it to create podcasts or videos for your YouTube or TV channel. Visit allsuper.info and ask our live support for details.